Now we are going to see about the relationship. Okay, relationship means rishta. Relation means rishta. Relationship means rishta dare. Okay, relations. Here, never say I cannot. Never say I cannot. Say I will. Say I will. Okay, this is a proverb you have to keep in mind for everything. Okay, we can do anything. If the willpower in your mind, we can do anything. Okay, now we are going to learn about relationship. In Hindi, we are having both sides. Likewise, we are having mother and father. Both sides we are having relations. Okay, for that there is a slight difference between the relation between father side and the mother side. Father side and the mother side. Let us see. Here, ma, mata, ma, mata. We all know about ma, mata means mother. Ma, mata means mother. Now, the father of our mother is called as Nana. Is called as, we have to call them as Nana. Okay, Nana. Then the mother of our mother, how to called as Nani. Nani. Okay, Nani. Pronunciation. See here, the spelling is Nani, Nana, Nani. Then the brother of our mother is Mama. Mama. Okay. Then brother's wife. Okay. Our mother's brother's wife is called as Mommy. Okay. Mommy. We have to call them as Mommy. Then the sister of our mother is Mausi. Sister of our mother is Mausi. Here, Mausi. Then her husband is called as Mausa. Her husband is called as Mausa. Is it clear? See. See here. Our mother's father is called as Nana and mother is called as Nani. Then our mother's brother is called as Mama. Then Mommy. Here Mausi and Mausa. By seeing this map, you can clearly understand the relations of our mother's side. Relations of our mother's side. Okay. Then now we are going to the relations of our father. Relations of our father. Here we see the father of our father is called as Dada. Dada. Okay. Then the mother of our father is called as Dadi. Okay. Here in the brother category we are having two. One is big brother, then the other is small brother. We have to call the big brother of our father is Dau. Dau. Big brother of our father is Dau and his wife is called as Dai. Wife is called as Dai. Okay. Then small. The small brother of our father is called as Chacha. Chacha. Okay. Chacha. Then this is called, his wife is called as Chachi. Okay. Chachi. Here the sister of our father is called as Bufi. Fufi. Okay. Bufi. Bua. Like that. Then this is sister's husband is called as Bufa. Bufa. He see here Dawu. Dawu and Chacha. Here Chachi and Dai. Here Fupi, Fufa. Okay. Clearly we can understand the father of our father is called as Dada and mother of our father is called as Dadi and big brother is called as Dau. Okay, Dau and his wife is called as Dai. Then small brother of our father is called as Sacha. Then his wife is called as Chachi. His wife is called as Chachi. Then the sister is called as Poofi. Then her husband is called as Boofa. Okay, this relation is a important relations in our life. We have to know the relations between our father side and the mother side. Okay, is it clear?